Hi dear students, today we shall study about the effect of dielectric substance on introducing between the plates of a capacitor. Suppose this is a parallel plate capacitor whose P1 and P2 are the plates, and between these two plates a dielectric sheet of dielectric constant K is introduced. Suppose the distance between the plates is small d and area of each plate is capital A. Suppose there is air between the plates at first. Now suppose its capacitance is C naught, then C naught will be epsilon naught A upon D, equation 1. Now suppose a dielectric substance of the dielectric constant K is introduced between the plates. Then its capacitance suppose becomes C, therefore C will become epsilon naught A times K upon D. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now divide equation 2 by equation 1. We get C upon C naught equals epsilon naught A K upon D upon epsilon naught A upon D. Epsilon naught A upon D we cancel to each other, remain here K. Therefore C comes out to be K into C naught. Therefore capacitance is increased by K times on introducing the dielectric material between the plates. Now another physical quantities like electric field, potential difference, charge and potential energy will be discussed in two cases. In one case when a battery remains connected with the plates, and in another case when battery is disconnected from the plates. Suppose let us consider the first case when battery remains connected with plates. When battery remains connected with plate, then suppose the thermal potential difference is V naught. Therefore this will be the potential difference between the plates P1 and P2 of the parallel plate capacitor. Since thermal potential difference does not change, it remains constant, hence potential difference between the plates will remain also constant. Therefore if potential difference on introducing the dielectric material becomes V and its initial potential difference before introducing the dielectric substance suppose was V naught, then V will be equal to V naught because it is constant. Now V equals E into D. Suppose electric field becomes E on introducing the dielectric material, and it was E naught before introducing the dielectric substance. Then ED must be equal to E naught D. D cancel to small d, this one remains E equals E naught. Therefore both electric field and potential difference between the plates remains constant. Both electric field and potential do not change on introducing the dielectric substance between the plates. These two remain constant. Now, what happens to the charge? Q equals BC. Suppose initial charge on the plates to be Q naught, and after introducing the dielectric substance, suppose charge becomes Q, then Q equals BC. Since C equals K into C naught from equation 1, we have already discussed this one. C becomes K times C naught, and V equals V naught. Therefore, K into B naught into C naught equals initial charge Q naught. Therefore, it implies that charge is increased K times on introducing the dielectric substance between the plates. Now, suppose its potential energy becomes U. Therefore, U equals half CV square. C is K into C naught. V remains the same. Therefore, it can be written also V naught square half C naught V naught square into K. It is initial potential energy U naught into K. Therefore, K into U naught. Therefore, it implies that potential energy is increased by K times. Increased by K times. Therefore, we are observing charge Q, potential energy U, both, and also capacitor. These three, charge, capacitor, and potential energy, all these three physical quantities are increased by K times on introducing the dielectric substance between the plates. Now, let us consider the second case. Case 2, when battery is disconnected from the plate. Suppose battery is initially connected with the plates and charge on the plates considered to be Q naught, means initial charge is Q naught on the plates. Now battery is disconnected. When battery is disconnected, then what happens? The source of charge is removed. Therefore, source which was given to the plate initially will remain the constant after disconnecting the battery. Therefore, suppose on introducing the dielectric substance of the dielectric constant K, its charge becomes Q, but source of charge is removed. Therefore, charge will remain constant, means initial charge must be equal to final charge Q equals Q naught. As we knew, Q equals V into C. Therefore, V into C, Q naught, V naught into C naught. Now, C equals K times C naught, V naught, C naught. Implies that C naught cancel each other. Therefore, V K equals V naught implies that V equals V naught upon K. Means on introducing the dielectric substance between the plates, the potential difference between the plates is decreased by 1 by K times. In the case when battery is disconnected from the plates. Now, let us consider what happens the electric field. Suppose on introducing its electric field becomes E, and before introducing electric field considered to be E naught. Now suppose what happens about the electric field. Electric field E equals B upon D. B equals B naught upon K into D. 1 upon K, B naught upon D, 1 upon K, E naught. Means electric field is also decreased by 1 by K times. Now let us put potential energy becomes U equals half CV square, half C equals K times C naught, V naught upon K whole square, half C naught B naught square upon K. 1 K will cancel, therefore 1 upon K half C naught B naught square equals 1 upon K U naught. Therefore potential energy is also decreased by 1 by K on introducing the dielectric substance between the plates. Okay, thanks for watching the video.